Current drum dust collection practices do not properly protect operators from combustible dust hazards or hand injuries due to rotary valve incidents. XP Products Drum Kit acts as a strengthened extension of the dust collector housing, eliminating the need for a rotary valve. This drum sealing system makes it easier to connect, seal, fill, and disconnect from the dust collection system and protects the operator from injuries and unexpected combustible dust events. The XP Drum Kit includes a custom spool piece to match all dust collector flange shapes and sizes, square or round. Optional gate valves can be added if needed. The XP Products system is installed with a mobile drum lift, so the operator does not have to bend, lift, or reach. Once the drum is in place, the operator can install the tool-free lever lock and close a clamp so that the drum is sealed and the dust is contained. The XP Drum Kit has 2 optional accessories that can be added to the system. The ATEX certified valve ensures dust collection continues while removing the drum, and the high-level sensor, which tracks the amount of dust in the barrel at all times. The system is rated up to 1.0 bar, has an 800-pound lift capacity, and can withstand extreme outdoor temperatures. XP also offers tilting and drum dumping solutions that simplify the dust removal process. Learn more at xpproducts.com.